Hello students, welcome in maths video. Today we will solve multiplication by regrouping of 3-digit numbers. You already learned multiplication by regrouping of 2-digit numbers. You learned no in previous video. Today you will learn multiplication by regrouping of 3-digit numbers. To clear your idea, first look at this example. First one, 235 multiplied by 6. Now what we will do? We will begin with ones. So multiply 5 ones by 6. 5 6 are 30. We can do rough work. Okay, RW means rough work. So 5 6 are 30. 30 is 2-digit number. So what we will do? We will write 0 under ones, which is at ones place. And we will carry over these 3 tens to tens column. Now multiply tens. 3 tens by 6. 6 threes are 18. These are 18 tens. Now to these 18 tens add these 3 tens. 18 plus 3. After 18 you can count 3. After 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21. Now 21's 1, which is at ones place right under the, yes, in tens. Now in 21, now this 21 means what? This 21 tens. These are for 21 are for the tens. And when we will break, no, 21 tens means 200, 110. Okay. And this 110 we will write here under tens. And this 2 which is at 100 plus will go in 100. Yes, we will carry over them into the 100 columns. Understood everyone? Now what will we do? We will multiply 100. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 12 plus 2, 14. So write down 14 under 100. So 235 multiplied by 6. Product is 1410. Now again look at the another example. It will help you to clear your ideas. See, 394 multiplied by 3. Now we will begin with one side. 4 3s are 12. We can do rough work here downside. Okay, 4 3s are 12. So 12 ones and 2 ones we will write under ones, and 110 we will carry over in tens column. Now multiply 9 tens with 3. 9 3s are 27 plus this 110. It will be 28 tens. These are 28 tens. And 28 tens means 208 tens. So what will we do? These 8 tens we will write under tens. And 200 will carry over into the hundreds column. As we learn that these hundreds, tens and ones are never sharing their rooms. You learn no in mathematics addition. So 3 3s are 9 and 900 plus 200 is equal to 9 plus 2 11 right under the 100 column. So 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11. The product of 394 multiplied by 3 is 1182. Understood students? Now we will solve next example. Here 351 multiply by 2. First multiply once. 2 ones are 2. 2 is single digit number, so we will write below the ones. Now multiply tens. 5 twos are 10. 10 is 2 digit number. 10 tens means 100. 10 tens means 100. These are 10 tens. So 10 10 means 100. So what we will do? 0 we will write. Yes, 0 we will write below the tens. And 1 which is at 100 place will go or will carry over in hundreds column. Now 3 twos are 6 plus 1 7 hundreds. So write these 7 under the hundreds columns. Understood, students? Very good. Very easy now. Now we will solve page number 74. Question is find the product. Product is the answer of multiplication. Students, first example is given 238 multiplied by 4. Now you will say that teacher, where is the book? Yes, I copied on a page. Okay. To show you how to copy on a notebook. Because this you have to copy in homework notebook. When you will copy this on homework notebook, what you have to do? You have to copy like this from your mother. आपकी mother को बोलना है मम्मा मुझे ये copy करके दो like this. Okay? And then you will solve without looking in video. Now you will copy on textbook and in homework book you will copy like this empty. आपको ये empty copy कर लेना है and then you try yourself to solve so that yes, you can be expert in solving. You will be expert. Now, dear students, first one 238 multiplied by 4. And here, first we will begin with one side. 8 fours are 32. 32 ones. In 32 ones, 2 will remain. 2 ones will remain at ones column. We'll write under the ones column. And 3 tens we will carry over in tens column. Now we will multiply tens. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 3 15 tens. Sorry, 15 tens. And in 15 tens, 5 tens and 100. So 5 tens we will write under tens column and 1 we will write or carry over in hundreds column. Okay. So 4 twos are 8. 8 hundreds plus 100 900s. So product of 238 multiplied by 4 is 952. Here solving of the first example is over. Now look at the second example. 174 multiplied by 5. First we will begin with we will begin with one side. 4 ones multiplied by 5. 4 fives are 20. Now you can do rough work. 20 0. 0 ones you will write here. Okay. So 4 fives are 20. 0 you will write below the ones and 2 carry over in tens column. 7 5s are 35. 35 tens plus 2 tens. We will add 2 to 35 tens and it will be 37. Now 37, 7 tens we will write here and 300 we will carry over in hundreds column. 5 ones are 5 plus 3, 8. 800 which we will write under the hundreds column. So product of the 174 multiplied by 5 is 870. Understood, students? Now third example. Third example is multiplication of 249 by 3. Now first we will begin with one side. 9 ones multiply by 3. 9 threes are 27. For this you must learn the tables by heart. 27 we will write as a rough work. 7 which is at ones place we will write under ones, and 2 which is at tens place we will carry over to tens columns. 4 threes are 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 tens. 14 tens. 4 we will write. 4 tens we will write. Yes, in tens column, and 1 which is at 100. So we will carry over in hundreds column. 3 twos are 6 plus 1, 7 hundreds. We will write under hundreds column. Okay. Now we will solve the fourth one. 159 multiplied by 6. 9 6s. First we will begin with ones. 9 ones multiplied by 6. 9 6s 54. Right. 54 is two-digit number. 4 is at ones place, which we will write under ones, and 5 we will carry over in tens column. Now multiply 5 tens by 6. 5 6s 30. 30 tens plus 5 tens, or we will add 30 tens into 5. 35 tens. 5 tens we will write under the tens column, and 3 which is at 100 place will go in hundreds column, or we will carry over 3 hundreds to hundreds column. 1 6s 6 plus 3, 9 hundreds, which we will write under the hundreds column. So product of 159 multiplied by 6 is 954. Number fifth. 246 multiplied by 4. 6 4s are 24. 24 ones. 4 we will write below the ones. 4 we will write below the ones, and 2 we will carry over in tens column. 4 4s are 16. 16 tens. In 16 tens we will add 2 tens. We got 18 tens. 8 tens we will write under the tens column. 1 which is at 100 place will be carry over into the hundreds place. 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 9. 9 hundreds we will write under the hundreds column. So product of 246 is 46 multiplied by 4 is 984. Now 118 multiplied by 8. First multiply ones. 8 8s are 64. Now we will do the rough work. 64. In 64, 4 is at ones place. So write down 4 below the ones or under the ones column. And 6 tens carry over in tens column. 8 ones are 8 plus 6, 14. 8 plus 6, 14 tens. So 14 tens we got here 4. We will write here because 4 tens are these, and 1 which is at hundreds place will carry over in 100 columns. 8 ones are 8 plus 1, 9. So here we got the answer 944, or we can say product of 118 multiplied by 8 is 944. Dear students, look at the another example. Here 237 multiplied by 4. 7. First we will begin with ones. 7 ones multiplied by 4. 7 fours are 28. 28 ones. These are 28 ones.